to Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Today we will see Parichay lesson 13 Hamara Desh. Hamara means our, Desh means country, our country. Hamara Desh, our country. So we are in our country, India. So we are going to study about our country. We'll go to the lesson now. यह हमारा देश है. यह हमारा देश है. This is our country. यह means this. हमारा देश, our country. This is our country. इसका नाम भारत है. This country name is भारत, India. लोग इसे इंडिया भी कहते हैं. So they call our country as India. So our country name is Bharat and it is also called India. Log means people. People also say. कहते means say. कहना is to say. So people also say the country as India. इसका नाम भारत है. This country name is भारत. लोग इसे इंडिया भी कहते हैं. People also call it as India. भारत की संस्कृति सबसे पुरानी और महान है. So संस्कृति means culture. Sanskriti means culture. So the culture of India. Purani means old. Mahan means great. The culture of the country India is very old and great. The culture is very great. So the culture of Bharat is old and great. भारत की संस्कृति सबसे पुरानी और महान है. The culture of India is very old and great. यहाँ हिंदू, मुसलमान, ईसाई, सिख, बौद्ध, जैन और सभी धर्मों के लोग रहते हैं. यहाँ means here. So here the various religion people live here. That is what they mean in this center. So here Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain, all the religion people live here. Musalman means Muslim. Isai means Christian. Dharmo means religion. Various kind of religion people are living in the country India. That is what it is given. यहाँ हिंदू, मुसलमान, ईसाई, सिख, बौद्ध, जैन और सभी धर्मों के लोग रहते हैं. All the kind of people, all the kind of religion people live in this country. वे हिंदी, तमिल, तेलुगु, मलयालम, कन्नड़, बंगाली, पंजाबी, गुजराती आदि भाषाएं बोलते हैं. वे means they. They means the people of country India. The people of country India speak various languages. भाषाएं means languages. बोलना is to talk, to speak. So what are the languages they speak in India? There are many languages, out of which we see few languages that are spoken in India. They are Hindi, Tamil language, Telugu language, Malayalam language, Kannada language, Bengali language, Punjabi language, Gujarati language. The people of Bharat speak all these languages. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ, भारत में हम सब तरह के मौसम देख सकते हैं. मौसम मीन्स वेदर, सीजन, क्लाइमेट. So भारत में, in the country India, सब तरह के, all kind of weather, season, culture देख सकते हैं. We can observe, we can see. So in country India, we can see different type of weather, different type of season, different type of climate. भारत में हम सब तरह के मौसम देख सकते हैं. We can see all type of weather, all type of season, all type of climates in the country India. यहाँ सब तरह के अनाज पैदा होते हैं. So अनाज means grain. अनाज means grain. Rice, wheat, barley, jawar, all those. So etc. All these grains are grown in the country India. सब तरह, all type of, यहाँ, here, अनाज, grain पैदा होते हैं. They are produced. पैदा होना, to produce, to be produced, to create, to prepare. यहाँ सब तरह के अनाज पैदा होते हैं. Here all type of grain is grown in the country India. Here all type of grains are produced and grown in the country India. सब तरह के फल पैदा होते हैं. फल means fruits. पैदा होते हैं means produced, grown. सब तरह के, all type of. All type of fruits are produced in the country India. All type of fruits are grown in the country India. गंगा, यमुना, नर्मदा, कृष्णा, कावेरी आदि नदियां के पानी से यहाँ की भूमि उपजाऊ है. So what are the rivers that we have in India? Ganga, famous rivers. These are the famous rivers of India. गंगा, यमुना, नर्मदा, कृष्णा, कावेरी rivers. नदियों के पानी, water of the rivers. नदियों के पानी means water of the rivers. भूमि उपजाऊ है. The place is productive. Bhumi means the land. The land is productive. Land is fertile. So because of the rivers Ganga, Yamuna, Narmada, Krishna, Kaveri, the water of the rivers, because of the water of the rivers Ganga, Yamuna, Narmada, Krishna, Kaveri, the land of India is very productive. The land of India is very fertile. गंगा, यमुना, नर्मदा, कृष्णा, कावेरी आदि नदियों के पानी से यहाँ भी भूमि उपजाऊ है. उपजाऊ मीन्स प्रोडक्टिव और फर्टाइल. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ, नई दिल्ली भारत की राजधानी है. So if you have a country, you will have a capital of the country. Rajdhani means capital. Capital of the country, India. So what is the capital of the country? It is New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. नई दिल्ली भारत की राजधानी है. New Delhi is the capital of India. दिल्ली, मुंबई, कलकत्ता, चेन्नई आदि भारत के सबसे बड़े शहर हैं. सबसे बड़े शहर हैं. सबसे बड़े शहर हैं. शहर मीन्स सिटी. बड़े शहर, बिग सिटीज ऑफ इंडिया. So out of the cities, सबसे बड़े शहर, most of the big cities of India, भारत के सबसे बड़े शहर, what are they? India's big cities are Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta, Chennai. New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai are the big cities of India. दिल्ली, मुंबई, कलकत्ता, चेन्नई आदि भारत के सबसे बड़े शहर हैं. So these are the big cities of India. दिल्ली, मुंबई, कलकत्ता and चेन्नई. विज्ञान में हमारा देश सबसे आगे है. आगे means developed, growing. सबसे आगे, we are almost in the first or second place, most primary phase of this world. In which? In Vigyan. Vigyan means science. What is science? Science is a systematic study of natural world, discovery, etc. What is science? Systematic study of natural world and discovery, etc. So we are in the very important and special place and developed place in the field of science. Our country is very forward, is in the prime place in the world for the field science. And science is the systematic study of natural world, discovery, animals and so many things, etc. भारत एक गणतंत्र देश है. गणतंत्र, गणतंत्र मीन्स रिपब्लिक. So India is a republic country. भारत एक गणतंत्र देश है. गणतंत्र मीन्स रिपब्लिक. इंडिया इज अ रिपब्लिक कंट्री. भारत एक गणतंत्र देश है. राष्ट्रपति इसका प्रधान होता है. So प्रधान मीन्स प्राइमरी एंड मेजर रोल. राष्ट्रपति, राष्ट्रपति मीन्स प्रेसिडेंट. प्रेसिडेंट प्लेस अ important role, major role. मंत्रिमंडल शासन में राष्ट्रपति की मदद करता है. So who helps the president? मंत्रिमंडल. मंत्रिमंडल is cabinet minister. Cabinet ministers. They help in the rule of the country. Shasan means rule. Cabinet minister rule the country and also help the president of the country. प्रधानमंत्री इसका प्रधान होता है. So who is heading cabinet ministers? Prime Minister. Prime Minister is the major role for the ministry, for the cabinet. Pradhan Mantri is the Prime Minister, is the primary person of the cabinet. Cabinet Ministry. लोकसभा के लिए 5 साल में एक बार चुनाव होता है. लोकसभा is parliament. So we have parliament in the country. 5 साल means 5 years. एक बार means one time. चुनाव means election. So parliament is, election is conducted for the parliament once in 5 years. Election is conducted for the parliament once in 5. This is the lesson हमारा देश. Hope you all understood. Thank you.